So guys, for the first method, make sure that airplane mode is not turned on. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. If you see airplane mode right here, and it's in blue, then you want to turn it off. So again, look for airplane mode, make sure that it's not blue, which will then turn it off. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Make sure that it's not been disabled. If it's been disabled, then you want to right click on it and then click on enable, which will now enable it. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, then you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. You should now be seeing some drivers right here. You want to install the driver that you think is most applicable to your network adapter. You want to click on it and then click on next. It's then going to install it for you. Once you install that, see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now. And then hopefully this will fix your problem.